Good morning to all my friends and family, and welcome to this episode of Jim's 5am Club. Today, what we're going to be doing is stepping through a book entitled Strong Mothers, Strong Sons, and it was authored by Meeker and published on the 8th of April 2014. This is a compelling book that explores the unique dynamics of the mother-son relationship and provides invaluable guidance to help mothers raise confident, resilient, and emotionally healthy boys. Meeker offers practical advice and insights to empower mothers in their role as primary influences in their sons' lives. The book kicks off with a key message: the power of connection, and the author emphasizes the importance of building a strong emotional connection with your son or sons, and she highlights the significance of spending quality time together, engaging in open conversations, and actively listening to foster deeper bonds. The influence of mothers is another key point, where this book explores the powerful influence that mothers have in their sons' lives. Meeker encourages mothers to embrace their role as a positive and guiding force, shaping their sons' character, values, and self-esteem. We look at navigating gender differences, and Meeker delves into the unique challenges and strengths of raising boys. She provides insights on understanding and embracing the inherent differences between boys and girls, and we need to acknowledge that there are differences between boys and girls, and celebrating masculinity and fostering healthy gender identity. We look at teaching accountability and responsibility to our sons, and this book once again emphasizes the importance of teaching boys accountability and responsibility. Meeker offers strategies for setting clear goal expectations and holding our boys accountable for their actions, and teaching them the importance of integrity and character. We look at the impact of media and technology. Meeker addresses the influence of media and technology in a boy's development, and she provides guidance on managing screen time, promoting media literacy, and cultivating critical thinking skills. At the end of the day, social media is not going to go away. We need to teach boys how to use it and how to have the media serve them rather than them becoming servants to the media. We need to help our boys navigate the digital world. We look at instilling confidence and resilience in our boys. The book explores the significance of instilling confidence and resilience in boys. And once again, the author here offers insights on encouraging boys to take risks and learn from their failures, and developing a healthy sense of self-worth. We then look at navigating puberty and sexuality, and the author provides guidance on discussing puberty and sexuality with boys in language that they welcome and they can understand. She offers strategies for addressing these topics openly and honestly, fostering healthy attitudes and promoting respectful relationships. The importance of positive male role models is also talked about. The book highlights the significance of positive male role models in boys' lives. Meeker encourages mothers to seek out strong male figures such as fathers, grandfathers, or mentors to provide guidance and support. We then go on to look at how we can promote independence and autonomy in boys. And the author explores the importance of promoting independence and autonomy in the young men. She encourages mothers to provide opportunities for boys to make decisions, solve problems, and develop self-reliance. Don't do everything for them. Help them learn how to do it for themselves. And the last point, a very important point, is where the author here looks at self-care for the mother figures. Strong Mothers, Strong Sons concludes with a focus on the importance of self-care for mothers. Meeker highlights the need for mothers to prioritise their own physical, emotional, and mental health, and to look at them supporting their own well-being to be effective role models and nurturers. This book offers a wealth of insights and practical strategies for mothers seeking to raise confident, resilient, and emotionally healthy sons. Meeker's lessons on connectivity, on connection, accountability, and media influence, and the positive role models empower mothers to guide their sons through the challenges of boyhood and adolescence. By incorporating these lessons, readers can strengthen their mother-son relationship, instill values and resilience, and equip their sons with the tools they need to navigate the world with confidence and integrity. This book serves as an invaluable resource for mothers, providing support and guidance in raising and creating remarkable sons. Thank you very much for joining me on this episode of Jim's 5am Club on this magnificent Sydney spring morning. We've talked about the importance that mothers have on raising healthy, strong, and good sons. I myself was blessed with a very good mother who looked after me and taught me right from wrong. And it's not the case for all families, unfortunately. But this book offers some lessons for women, for mothers, to help them in their journey with their sons, and to help them become better men, because the world needs strong men and it needs great mothers so that we can lay the foundation for future families. Anyway, once again, thank you. Wishing you all the best, and happy Wednesday to all my friends and family. Bye for now.